Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of efficient kitchen laundry room combo design ideas and tips for perfect blend of functionality and style of kitchen and laundry room. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, maximizing space and efficiency has become a top priority for homeowners. One area that often struggles to meet these demands is the laundry room. However, with innovative design solutions, the concept of a kitchen laundry room combo has gained popularity. By integrating laundry facilities within the kitchen space, homeowners can save valuable square footage while maintaining a harmonious and functional environment. In this video, we will delve into the meaning of kitchen laundry room combo design and provide valuable insights and ideas to help you create a truly unique space in your home. How to design a laundry area in a kitchen. Designing a laundry area within a kitchen requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some essential steps to guide you through the process. 1. Assess available space. Evaluate your kitchen's layout and identify a suitable area for your laundry appliances. Consider factors such as plumbing connections, ventilation, and electrical requirements. 2. Functional flow. Create a logical flow between the kitchen and laundry area, ensuring easy access to essential appliances and supplies. Plan for adequate countertop space for sorting, folding, and other laundry-related tasks. 3. Concealment and integration. Utilize cabinetry and clever storage solutions to seamlessly integrate the laundry area with the kitchen. Concealing appliances behind cabinet doors can maintain a cohesive aesthetic while keeping functionality intact. 4. Efficient plumbing. Ensure proper plumbing connections are in place to accommodate both kitchen and laundry needs. Consulting with a professional plumber is crucial to ensure a seamless installation. Can kitchen cabinets be used in the laundry room? Yes, kitchen cabinets can be an excellent addition to the laundry room. They provide ample storage space, helping to keep the area organized and clutter-free. Consider utilizing upper cabinets to store detergent, fabric softener, and other laundry essentials. Lower cabinets can house laundry baskets, cleaning supplies, and additional items you wish to keep hidden from view. Best layout for a laundry room and kitchen combo? The layout of a kitchen laundry room combo depends on the available space and individual preferences. However, there are a few popular options to consider. 1. Side-by-side layout. Place the laundry appliances side by side along one wall, allowing for a continuous countertop and storage above and below. 2. Stacked layout. Opt for a vertical arrangement by stacking the washer and dryer units. This layout maximizes floor space and frees up room for other kitchen features. 3. U-shaped layout. If space permits, consider a U-shaped layout, where the laundry area forms one arm of the U. This design offers an efficient workflow and ample storage options. How do you combine a pantry and laundry room? Combining a pantry and laundry room can provide a practical solution for smaller homes or kitchens with limited space. Here's how to achieve a successful integration. 1. Utilize sliding or pocket doors. Install sliding or pocket doors to separate the pantry and laundry area discreetly. These doors offer privacy when needed and can be effortlessly concealed when not in use. 2. Shared shelving. Incorporate shared shelving between the pantry and laundry area to create a seamless transition. This design choice ensures that both spaces complement each other and appear visually cohesive. 3. Dual function storage. Optimize storage solutions by integrating pantry and laundry essentials. Consider using open shelves for pantry items, while closed cabinets can store laundry supplies and cleaning products. And here, these the top 10 best kitchen laundry room combo design ideas. 1. Hidden appliance nook. Create a hidden alcove within your kitchen cabinetry to house the washer and dryer, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. 2. Farmhouse charm. Embrace a rustic farmhouse aesthetic by combining vintage-inspired appliances and open shelves for a cozy and functional space. 3. Under-counter placement. Incorporate the laundry area under your kitchen countertops to seamlessly blend functionality with the existing design. 4. Sleek and modern. Opt for a minimalist approach with sleek, streamlined appliances and hidden storage options to maintain a clean and contemporary look. 5. Bold color accents. Add a pop of color to your kitchen laundry room combo by choosing vibrant appliances or bold accent walls, infusing energy into the space. 6. Industrial chic. Embrace an industrial design by incorporating exposed pipes, concrete flooring, and metal finishes for an edgy yet functional aesthetic. 7. Compact solutions. Explore space-saving options such as washer-dryer combo units or compact stackable appliances to optimize square footage. 8. Multi-purpose island. Install a kitchen island that doubles as a laundry folding area or an additional storage unit, providing versatility and convenience. 9. Open shelving. Display decorative baskets and jars on open shelves for a charming and accessible storage solution that adds visual interest to the space. 10. Classic elegance. Create a timeless look with a monochromatic color palette, classic cabinetry, and marble countertops, exuding an air of sophistication. Designing a kitchen laundry room combo presents a unique opportunity to merge functionality and style seamlessly. By carefully considering layout options, integrating kitchen cabinets, and incorporating innovative ideas, you can transform your home into a space that optimizes efficiency without compromising on elegance. Whether you have limited square footage or simply desire a more cohesive design, a kitchen laundry room combo is a remarkable solution to streamline your daily routines. Embrace the possibilities, and let your imagination soar as you embark on this exciting design journey. Remember to visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube, where you can find more inspiring ideas and expert guidance on transforming your home into a haven of beauty and functionality. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of efficient kitchen laundry room combo design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.